Well, if you want to emulate some of those turns the races are making, go fast, well, we've got the ski for you today. Randy Braden joins us from Christy Sports in Vail, and he's going to let us know how you can dial in that speed. And you have specific skis for the job.
We have everything that you need to go fast except for the special underwear that they wear.
Okay.
Course, the
Yes.
speed suits. We don't carry any of that. But just about everything else, you can come and grab at Christy Sports.
Well, let's start with the ski. This is from Head, and you will see a lot of the racers from around the world on this this brand. And this brand is out of Austria, right?
Absolutely. Head is an Austrian brand. And the ski that I brought in today is the World Cup Rebel ski. This is actually a slightly detuned version of what they're actually skiing on.
Oh, wow.
Okay, and not many times do ski shops actually promote or carry product that is World Cup capable, but this ski is actually capable of doing what they're doing. Not today, maybe let's say when Ted Ligety gets on the course on Sunday.
All right, what is the dimensions? Because usually they're narrower underfoot.
Yep.
They don't need as wide of a shovel. They're not going through powder. In fact, they want it very, very firm.
Yes, the ski's 66 millimeters underfoot.
Wow.
So very, very
It's been a
narrow.
long time since we've been 66 millimeters underfoot.
Exactly, yeah. And of course it has a built-in riser on it to help give them leverage so they can bite into that icy surface that they're going to be skiing on top of. And another thing that this ski features is KERS technology. KERS stands for Kinetic Energy Recovery System. So as that ski is, you see them going down the hill and it's chattering like mad. Well, it's building up kinetic energy. So that kinetic energy is being stored in the ski and it goes into this chip. And as they get ready to exit the turn, there's a chip in the bottom of the ski, and it stores all that energy. And as they get ready to come out of that turn, it releases that energy for more power. So that's why you see all the World Cup guys are always on Head.
Look at it's got like the Pirate X and the little skull and crossbones.
Yeah. You got to be ready to go fast if you're going to get on a ski like that.
All right. Yeah. Make sure you have the skills to go with it.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell us about the boot because their boots are so dialed in too.
Yeah. If you're going to go that fast, you're going to need a boot that's going to be able to handle the pressure. So the first thing you do is flip that boot upside down, show them the sole. There's no tread on there whatsoever. That's a World Cup type boot. Okay, you can screw walkable toes and heels on there if you needed to, mill it down to whatever any kind of function you need to do as far as getting your canting angles and so on and so forth. It's a little thicker shell. They call it a plug shell, so you can just router out whatever your foot is in there. It has a World Cup liner, and then no ski boot, of course, is complete unless you have an orthotic.
Okay, yeah, and they have their custom footbeds because they need to be dialed in. Every millimeter is figured out, and it's all about equipment. Many times you'll hear about a racer may have changed equipment from year to year just to dial it in more, and it may make a huge difference.
A fraction of a second is huge to these guys.
Yeah, hundies matter.
Hundies of a second is huge, so they're always searching for any way to make 100th of a second.
Okay.
And you'd be surprised. The Christy Sports, this is made by DFP, Dynamic Foot Position, and this footbed is used by more speed guys on the World Cup than any other footbed out there.
Oh, wow.
We're very fortunate that Dynamic Foot Position sponsors a lot of these athletes, but they could use anything they want, and they choose to use our product.
Okay. Oh, that's great. Well, Randy, you can help us get out there, whether we're trying to emulate the racers or we're just trying to go for a family cruise. And you have 3 locations.
Absolutely. Beaver Creek, Avon, and Vail Village.
Okay. Are you going to be able to get out and see the races?
I sure hope to be. If not, it's on TV.
Yeah.
And we can watch it from the comfort of our store or our home.
Yeah.
You really need to get out there and check it out because if you haven't actually seen one of these races in person, it's very impressive.
Yeah, it's an exciting time to be here, and we're lucky that they stop in our valley.
We are very fortunate. We are very fortunate. Yeah, definitely get out there and come and see them. And then after you get done seeing them, come and try out some of the gear from Christy Sports.
Yep, definitely. And if you need to get your skis tuned, tuning is very important. You can always stop by Christy Sports, drop your skis off. They'll be ready for you the next